Let me show you how
Welcome.
you can use YouTube Creator AI to create video ideas for your audience and videos that people are going to want to watch for your channel, especially if you're a new YouTube channel. So let's say you do Call of Duty and gaming. So let's go to our audience persona generator, just put in your custom niche or description of your channel and generate audience persona. That's going to take just a second here. So let's go to the evergreen idea generator, Call of Duty and gaming, and generate some evergreen ideas here as well. So what this is going to do is give you some ideas that you can just create videos about that people are actually watching and searching for on YouTube, especially if you're a new channel and already doing gaming. You're like, hey, I want to do videos that people are going to want to watch. So here is a general audience persona. Elite Ethan. Elite Ethan is a male gamer. Typically, this is a wide rate age range, but these are some viewer goals: to improve his in-game performance and learn new strategies. Some pain points: excessive pre-roll or frequent in-video advertisement interrupt gaming experience. So this gives some tips on, hey, maybe I should make videos without this. Content preferences. So this gives you some content preferences, and then right here give you some suggested video topics: mastering movement, advanced Call of Duty tips for the ultimate guide to the new, and you can have a specific weapon here. Call of Duty's biggest updates explained. So if you're already doing gaming videos, if you do a gaming video on one of these topics, you're going to get views, and there's going to be people that are interested. You can save this to your own notes, copy this. We have a scratch pad here that's going to save your notes. Now let's go back to this evergreen generator here. So we put in Call of Duty gaming. Now this is going to give you 5 ideas for a YouTube video. The foundational 5 essential skills every COD player needs to master. And this would be a great evergreen video here. It tells us why it is, the angle, and how to film it. So come here to YouTube Creator AI, and once again, I'm doing this for gaming, so you can put in your custom niche or keywords. The evolution of warfare, how Call of Duty shaped gaming history. This would be a great video topic. You can save all these to notes. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can ask AI about it. I'm just going to go through the ideas here so you know that you're going to get some great ideas if you're doing gaming. So I would recommend coming here, trying it for whatever custom niche that you're doing videos about, and then kind of look at those ideas here, and then look at, hey, this is what a potential audience member may look like. And once again, it's not as much as this area here, who's actually the age range. It's more of these viewer goals, pain points, what they prefer to watch, and suggested video types. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. You'll get you can get some limited generations for free. If you run out, just reach out to me and I can hook you up with a free trial. There's a lot of other tools that it does here, but just come to content strategy, come to audience persona, evergreen ideas, and put in your channel niche.